I'm Amanda. I'm 6. Get ready with me to have some me time, and I'm choosing to stop by Sephora because my sister got me a gift card, so gotta use it. When Super Great was still here, RIP, you would know that the Belief True Aqua Bomb is my favorite. Like, I literally only have like that much left. I do get pretty oily in the T-zone, so I think that's why I really like this formula, because it's like that gel-like texture. I'm gonna go with the Belief True Cream Sunscreen. My husband thinks it's the funniest thing ever that like when I get some me time to get out of the house that I always choose to either go to Sephora or like window shop. And I don't know, is it a girl thing? Like, just, window shopping is so much fun. And I feel like when I go window shopping, I actually find stuff that I want compared to like when I'm going to find something, I can't find anything. For my brows, I like to use the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. I did laminate my own eyebrows, but normally when my brows are not laminated, it's the only thing that works. So now that my brows are laminated, they just stay even more in place. I think I picked a pretty good shade. I'm gonna go with a Merit Complexion Stick just for concealer, just because it's a cream, and I'm not really gonna like go in and set my face with anything because I really want to stay like skin-like. I said I wasn't gonna use any powder, but I am oily, so I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury powder, and I'm just gonna quickly set the places where I do tend to get really oily. So I always tend to go for my chin, my forehead, right here, my cheeks, and my under eye, and my nose. I'm feeling a little pinky today, so I'm just gonna go straight in with powder blush. So I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place, but I'm gonna use the bottom one. I have this fluffy Real Techniques brush that I like to use for blush. And I'm just gonna coat both sides like a lot. And then just quickly go over. I am someone who feels so naked without mascara or curling my eyelashes. So for me, that is a must. I'm actually not gonna put mascara on, I lied. But I am gonna put on some lip balm. Long story short, I struggle with chapped lips. Ooh, hey. Okay, I think I'm done. Let's go to Sephora.